This fully restored Massey Ferguson 185 is now live on the website for just £12.97. Now, to really appreciate this monster tractor, come with me. As you can see, she's got new rims all around and also brand new front and rear tyres. But as an extra bonus, we've put a Senzo 420s sitting on the rear. She's got this brand new suspendable seat, a brand new exhaust, brand new steering wheel, and is the original dash. The pickup hitch is in full working order. We've the brand new lifting arms, sway bar, adjustable chains and spring. She's got brand new lights, brand new grille and grill guard. She has her original bonnet and her original 185 badge. And again, for just £12.97, this Massey Ferguson 185 could be all yours. 𝗙𝗘𝗦𝗧𝗢𝗥𝗘𝗗. Get across, get your tickets bought, and you never know. Today could be your lucky day.